world has gone virtual, and so has the 2021 PayPal Internship Program India.
I'm from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh.
New Delhi,
Visakhapatnam,
Kolkata,
Patna,
Lucknow,
Odisha.
I'm from Hyderabad.
Interns explore the possibilities of learning virtually from the safety and comfort of their own home. We help unlock their potential and discover endless possibilities at a global organization. With the PayPal Virtual Internship Program in 2021, interns collaborate with peers, gain real-world work experience, and make a meaningful difference.
I help in making data more secure.
I work in the fraud protection team and help merchants fight online transaction fraud.
I work in the UI team at PayPal. UI family makes designs and builds experiences that user would use every day. It's a very overwhelming experience.
Imbibe our values: innovation, wellness, inclusion, collaboration. Talk to experts. Be guided by mentors.
You are more than welcome to connect and learn from different teams.
Participate in workshops.
I loved the product management workshops.
The workshops on financial wellness and leadership thoroughly excited me.
It helped us understand the company and the business and the way they operate in a better and clearer way.
Showcase projects. Be inspired by our leaders.
Interns have helped in building tools for productivity, monitoring, scalability for PayPal, which helps to scale our business.
So internship at PayPal has been a great learning experience for our interns with opportunity to solve a lot of complex engineering problems.
You are an intern. That's a very big thing. You can do a lot of stuff. You can learn a lot.
And create experiences to remember.
The learning has been phenomenal and I'm really grateful for these past few months.
It's a collaboration on global level, and the best part is that we mingle seamlessly.
The PayPal internship has been a wonderful learning journey and a life-changing experience.
Join the PayPal Internship Program and start your career.